Hi, I'm Simon and I'm from the UK. Now, we've worked with Bestforworld Logistics, I think it's for over 8 years now, and they always provide a really reliable service, very good logistics at a very good cost. Richie is very direct, honest, and a professional businessman. I really do appreciate his personality. We do FOB and EXW terms with the supplier, and Bestforworld's logistics network is very, very strong in China. They handle all our shipments from China and send these shipments to, well, Felixstowe and Manchester and Southampton as well. They help us complete the customs clearance and sent them to our British warehouses. It made me really relaxed. I will continue to work with them, and I really do recommend more importers choose their logistics service.